Where are you going?
We're going to hunt the egg.
Yeah.
On Guy's office.
No, they're at the, what's that called?
At the
Office.
office.
Okay guys, good morning. Good morning, Daddy.
Good morning, everybody.
Okay, so we're leaving. We're going to hunt eggs. That's the place we're going in.
They have a small plate.
CG has cooking. There's a lot of cooking.
Yeah, they have a small plate.
Yeah. So that's the cooking area, and there's a lot. There's some coming. Okay, this is
Yep.
CJ got this.
This.
Yeah. Go get put all in your basket. Go. Go, baby. Jay, come here. Oh my gosh, that's a lot. Oh, come here, please. Yay. Yay. Nice. Here, Mabilis. Come here. There's more there. Here, Mabilis. Yeah, wow, there's a lot for CJ. No more. Huh? Let me see your eggs. Yeah. Nice. Yay. Huh? So guys, there's a lot there. Hey Jay, you like it?
Yeah.
No more there. Give it to the other kids. Come on. Yeah. There's one girl that we know on the park that called CJ and gave the candy to to him because she has a baby. Yeah, but the baby can't eat yet. Okay, so she gave him this. Nice. Those, yeah, all of these candies that's open, like they're nice.
Nice.
Yep, she is nice. Hi guys, so we're here at the storage area, okay, and we're taking the boat with us, okay, and we're gonna have a breakfast. We dropped by to McDonald's, so we got some hash, oh no, it's not hash brown, McMuffin, sausage McMuffin, yeah, 4. And see, yeah, what you got? Yeah, French fry, yeah. Snake there, guys. You can smell it. Look at the snake. Where it is now?
Right there.
Oh,
It's a
look at
snake
that,
skin.
guys. That's so big. Oh,
Let me see.
that looks like this long time there, huh?
Yeah. Well, every year they take it out of there.
Gosh. Careful, baby. So we're leaving and then we're going to the Bass Pro and bring the boat there. So you see there is a lot of boats that is for repair. So Mark went there to check them out because you can't see any people here. Guys, Where's Daddy? Where's the boat? I don't know. So they said it's gonna take 2 to 3 weeks before we can get it back. Yeah, I'm so excited! Are you excited on the boat to be fixed? Yeah, we can go on the lake again. Nice. Look who Hi!
There you go.
Rabbit! Wow, sweet!
Jack.
High five!
Jack. Bless Kana.
Bless. Here, like that. Yeah!
Rabbit, you done been blessed. And by a
Thank
child-
you.
Yeah. Okay, come on.
Thank you.
He's so nice.
Yeah. Screen. Oh, boing.
Why that big one is not swimming?
Yeah, maybe he's tired. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna take a picture of you, okay? Hey! Psst. Picture of you, okay? You can see while they're cutting your food. Nice. Guys are the sides. Salted potatoes. This is potato.
So brings you to Round Rock. Hanging out.
We had a tournament.
Finish choice. There's right there. Look good.
Yeah.
There we go.
Whiskey and our extra moist whiskey.
Oh,
What's that?
so spicy.
We also have soda. On there, okay?
You like that?
Okay guys, so that's the restaurant. Look at the sign. What did you just said?
I said I didn't know where Daddy went.
Hey, hi ka muna sa kanila guys. Say just up.
And she is up. Daddy, mommy,
Daddy, look at that. Daddy did the half there. I did this. Oh, we're on the back. Whoa. Ah, he's still crying.
No. Tell the truth.
Yeah.
Guys.
Yo, boom. Oh, you're gonna mow the grass with CJ. Oh my gosh, that's so long. Whoa, that's how you mow the lawn. Hey, nice. Say hi. Hi, hi. So I'm just finished mowing. Yay! And then,
Mommy needs to make it fitness.
yep.
Not to mow in the dark. We're
Yep.
going to say your butt, or bones, or ankles, no more. Patay.
Uh-oh. Wow naman. That's why I need to finish it, right?
Yeah.
And there's flowers. And what Daddy's doing?
He's cooking.
Oh, he's cooking what?
Bacon.
Bacon? We don't have bacon. I will show them that one. Look at that.
I got it from over here and here.
Yeah.
This, $40.
Oh my gosh, that's so expensive for your little stuff. Mark is cooking steak, yeah. He's always cooking steak because he knows best with that thing. Okay, and then we're gonna have baked potato. Woo! Yummy. Okay, so let me finish this. Let me put all the stuff in the garage. There.
$11.
Oh, that one?
Yeah.
The other one is much expensive than that one, huh?
Yep.
My gosh. Handsome, he said the other one is cost $40 and the other one is $11.
Whoa.
That's so expensive.
Serious?
Yeah.
Man,
Oh.
that's way up there.
Mom, and this costs
What's that?
$100 and $40.
What's that, Handsome? So guys, we have pork here and the cook is there.
Hi guys.
Oops. Look at that. Ooh. Hi guys.
It's not hard. It's not quite hard.
What?
Look, it's not quite hard. Look.
Oh yeah. Guys, so we have our dinner. Okay, whoa. This is my steak, guys. Oh, yummy, diba? Look at that. My best chef ever. That's Mark. That's this man. This. I love this. That's his. Guys, that's his food.
Yeah, it's a mess,
Yeah.
but it tastes good.
Yeah. He marinated. And you can put this on some look.
I know.
Nice. Okay guys, let's eat. Oh, I just want to say thank you and good night. So this is going to be our vlog today. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye. Good night.